Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I want to try out a line by Shea Moisture that has caught my eye. Forgive me. It is like 100 degrees out, so forgive me if I look like a sweaty mess. I feel like a sweaty mess. Anyways, enough babbling. I want to try out Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. It is the Strengthen and Restore line. If you've been watching my previous videos, you will know that I've been abusing my hair this summer. I've been going to tons of events, therefore I've been heat styling my hair nonstop, and it's been feeling a little dry and ragged. I was checking out Shea Moisture's line, which is now available widely in Canada at Walmart, which is awesome because there's one right around the corner from my house. I noticed on the Walmart site, I was checking out all the lines by Shea Moisture, that they had this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore line. Sounds like it's straight up my alley, sounds exactly what I need for my hair, so I'm gonna run out to the Walmart. Hopefully they will have it, and I need to wash my hair desperately. I've been running more. Wash day is here. So yeah, I'm crossing my fingers that Walmart has it because this stuff is popular. It is flying off the shelves. So yeah, let's go see if they have it. Hi everybody, I'm here at Walmart and I'm about to pick up the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and the edge gel. All right, so yeah, gonna go home, gonna wash my hair and try out this stuff. I'm gonna tell you my first thoughts. Somebody opened a bottle and it smells amazing. It smells amazing. It smells like candy, like vanilla. It just smells really good. I'm super excited to try it out. No doubt it should be good. The reviews are amazing. All right, kiddos, I am back. Target acquired. I got the products. It's awesome. So this is what I've got here. We've got the Strengthen and Restore shampoo. Looks like Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's got that nice deep brown color. Also grabbed the leave-in conditioner. I'm excited to try this out because my hair is thirsty. And we've got the Edge Treatment Gel. So I'm hoping this is super moisturizing and will make my edges look fantastic. So yeah, let's get to hair washing. Anyways, I just washed my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. So this shampoo has protein in it, and I quite like it. So since this is a clarifying shampoo, it doesn't strip your hair, but it will take out all of the buildup that accumulates over, let's say, weeks of using hair products. And it's a great product to use in advance of your deep conditioner. I'm just going to loosen it here and take it off. And here is my hair. It's damp. And I am going to apply the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. Okay, so I'm going to use a nice healthy amount and start applying it to my hair. See, I've got quite a bit here. I'm really going to concentrate on the ends. So I'm just going to twist it up and I'm going to put this thing back on it. So I just want to let you guys know what this leave-in conditioner is all about here. So according to Shea Moisture on the product label, it's a reparative leave-in conditioner which softens and detangles hair while leaving a protective barrier that helps control frizz. That's fantastic. This product is perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, me, as well as shiny, curly, or wavy natural styles. It's formulated with Jamaican Black Castor Oil and certified organic shea butter to nourish, improve manageability, and support elasticity so hair resists breakage when detangling. Perfect. Perfect product for me. Perfect product for anybody who chemically relaxes their hair. And as always, great for my naturalista friends. Okay, I've got the leave-in conditioner on. I've got my trusty turban on. I'm gonna go edit some photos for my blog, dry my hair. Hang tight, you guys will see the results shortly. Okay, everybody, I just got out of the shower. I feel way better. I washed my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore products that I picked up at Walmart. I have to say, this stuff was great. My hair feels amazing. The shampoo is a sulfate-free shampoo. It acts as a clarifying shampoo and it worked amazingly well. My hair feels light and bouncy and it's super shiny. It's really soft and it smells amazing. I am loving the results. The leave-in conditioner also was fantastic. After I used the Strengthen and Restore shampoo, my hair was a little rougher, but I'm used to that with clarifying shampoos. That's what they're supposed to do. This put all of the moisture and hydration back in. It's a super detangler. It really worked. I'm really happy with this. So yeah, this was a great experience. Curling my hair was super easy. Usually when I have a lot of product in my hair or when I use my normal shampoos, you know, curling my hair is fine, but the curls the waves are just way more defined, and I attribute that to having really clean hair. I'm totally going to add the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore line to my hair care arsenal. Leave-in conditioner is fantastic, and the clarifying shampoo was really effective. It was really nice to use a clarifying shampoo that didn't leave my hair feeling crunchy and really dried out. Instead, I'm left with super shiny, manageable hair. My hair feels fantastic. And I'm really liking the results with the edge gel. It's nice to have sharp edges. Check out Shea Moisture. There's a ton of hair inspiration and you can get a full sense of their line on their Instagram account. For Canadians, it's Shea Moisture CA. So if you want to try Shea Moisture products, if you haven't already, or if you want to stock up, visit your nearest Walmart store. Their Shea Moisture is now widely available across Canada at Walmarts. And you can also order the products online at walmart.ca. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out my blog at styledomination.com. I will be doing an accompanying blog post so you can get a full in-depth review of all of the products that I featured in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check me out on Instagram at dominique.baker. I would love that. So feel free to leave me any questions or comments. I'll be linking all of the products in the description box for you. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.